The double-mast, fully powered electric stacker transports loads throughout warehouse facilities quickly and with less effort. The high-torque, 24-volt DC drive and lift motor handles heavy-duty jobs. An ergonomic handle features easy-to-operate throttle with infinite adjustment of forward and reverse speeds. Lift lower controls, proprietary safety-enhancing emergency reverse function, and horn. It includes an electromagnetic disc brake with automatic deadman feature that activates when user releases the handle. The powered lifter has two 12-volt batteries, battery charger, and battery level gauge. Stacker rolls smoothly on polygon steel steer and load wheels. 4-hour operation at full charge, 8 hours when used intermittently. Proprietary safety-enhancing emergency reverse function. When actuated, the emergency reverse belly switch instantly reverses direction and moves the unit forward away from the operator, after which the unit must be reset to return to normal operating conditions. The double-mast, fully powered electric stacker is safe, sturdy, and efficient.